In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts in QuickBooks Online. This guide is designed to help you streamline your accounting process by consolidating similar accounts into one. It's a great way to keep your records organized and ensure that you have a clear picture of your business finances. To get started, head over to QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side menu. There, you'll see a section labeled Transactions. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a list of transaction options, but for now, we're interested in the chart of accounts, so click on that next. The chart of accounts is a comprehensive list where all your accounts reside. This feature is particularly helpful for merging purposes because it allows you to view and manage your accounts in one place. If you have a specific account in mind that you'd like to merge, you can scroll through the list to find it. Alternatively, if you're looking for something specific, try using the search box, which can help you locate the account quickly. As an example, let's say you have an account named Transport and another named Transportation, and you want to merge these two. First, find the account you want to merge under. Once you've located it, look to the right side of the account row, and you'll see a little arrow icon. Click on it, and then select Edit. This is an important step because it allows you to modify the account's details. When editing, focus on the account name. Rename the account you're merging to match the one you want it to merge into. The account names must be identical for the merge to occur successfully. Also ensure that both accounts have the same account type and detail type. These settings need to be consistent to avoid any discrepancies in your financial reports. After updating these fields, simply click on Save. At this point, QuickBooks will prompt you with a message asking if you'd like to merge the accounts. If everything looks good, confirm by clicking Yes, Merge Accounts. And just like that, those two accounts have been merged into one. It's a straightforward process, but one that can save you time and keep your records tidy. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll have a more organized chart of accounts with fewer redundancies. If you found this video helpful, remember to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your QuickBooks Online account more effectively. Happy accounting!